The Health and Tourism Program is a new initiative between the Ministry of Health and the BTB. It is a part of a wider regional program. Visitors to Belize will complete a standardized form at their registered place of accommodation if they're not feeling well or showing symptoms of an illness. The Minister of Health says it is a simple but effective way to monitor and alert the Central Health Region to help Belize avoid a health crisis.
It is more to monitor any person coming in, tourists. I think you all know that we have health inspectors in the different areas in the airports and in the port, but we cannot look at the person who is coming in. We cannot monitor them at that particular point. So now at the hotel settings, now they will have a checklist of all the individuals. You know, if you have fever, you have stomach problems, then you can do that checklist, and that will be sent directly to the central, and that's supposed to trigger some kind of information to us and say, you know what, we have this problem. And also that will be sent to CARPHA, which will have the different regions also.
How will the data be used?
Well, the data will be used like how Dr. Lisa mentioned. If you have one case of Zika, that's supposed to trigger and say, you know what, that's an alert. Then our team's supposed to go and monitor that alert. In the case of fever, if you have one or two cases, they will give the numbers. But that's supposed to trigger an alert to us, and then it is where the health inspectors or doctors will go and see that hotel or that facility.
The end goal is to improve the health, safety, quality, and sustainability of the local tourism industry and, by extension, the regions. All hotels are encouraged to join the program, for which they need to be certified. But will it become mandatory?
Well, at the moment, we don't have any legislation to do that, but we are hoping that they will sign up without the legislation. And as you can see, a lot of the hotels are already signing on because they want their hotel to have that standard.
What pushed the ministry to implement a program like this? I understand it's perhaps one of the first in the region.
It's actually 6 countries doing it. We were the first ones to sign in, but it is just to monitor the health system, to give us a better, you can see it. It's for us to look good out there because it will be certified internationally. So if the country is certified internationally, and then people will have that confidence for us to come in. It's just like our clinics and our hospitals. We are trying to improve them because tourists, the first thing that they do is they check the country and how is this health system working at that country. So that is when it will help us improve our tourists.
As a registrar of hotels, I'll be actively encouraging people to join on, and there's a process for certification and so on that will take some time for the hotels to go through, but we can consider it launched today, and we're going to be bringing hotels on over time.
What will that certification process be like for these hotels? What will they need to do?
Well, there's a few things, and just to name a few, it would be food safety certification. There would be an understanding of the program and the process that they would have to undertake for the monitoring and things like that. Just very structured processes that they would need to address to become certified.
Reporting for News 5, I'm Andrea Polanco.